Guys, good morning. So today is August 19, 2026, and it's Wednesday, so I really have to take this med. No, okay. I've been drinking this one for a long time. Not for a long time, but I think 3 days ago, since the doctor gave this. No, the doctor, what do you call this? The doctor prescribed this. No, I'm not sure in my English. So I'm currently here at my cousin's boarding house where I will be also staying, and here in Davao actually. And good news that God gave me an opportunity, so I got my job here. So I will be starting at August 28th. No, 28 is my favorite number always. So 28 and 8. So just saying, just sharing. So ako rin sa Dani, that's why I'm taking videos. Okay, para remember na ko in the future that I already experienced such things like this. And then, yeah, if you're asking me why I'm here at Davao since I've been at CDO for last month, and or not last month. So, what happened was, um, um, di ba nag-watcher ko sa Catuizon sa Untita, and then sa CDO sa Northern Mindanao Hospital. So, when I got home, I realized that I really have to find job since I don't have work, I don't have anything, but I did apply to public schools for how many years already. So, by that I decided to go at CDO, go back in there to find a job, which is in a BPO company. And then I tried, applied at if you're familiar, and then suddenly I was not able to pass the final interview because I've mentioned something, the selection video, basta ako na-mention, I've mentioned regarding with my masters, which is not appropriate. And then when I when there's a problem with my family, my mama specifically, and my manghod, no, okay, I will take video on that. I also make a video on that someday. Charot. So, may tita Bilo, ato ko sa Kababaran. So, layo kayo dahil. Murag one day to siya nga biyahe. Dili, one day kay. 10 a.m. ko nag-adto, dahil nakabuto kay. Mga 7 na, 7 p.m. Okay, ako naman sa nagbiyahe, dahil ko dala. So, when I go to Kabadbaran, I did try searching schools and universities or any tertiary institution nga ma-apply na ako, bisag part-time lang. So, they offer me or really offer. Like, yatagan ko situation like, I will be waiting for how many months first, so they will decide to hire me since there's a lot of teachers in there. I will not mention the school. And then, mao to, nag-try ko kadto silang school. Nice day siya, nindot siya nga school. Sikat na sa Kabadbaran. But, she advised na mag-wait lagi ako mga 3 months. Ano, magulat pa ako 3 months, no? Dili na siya pwede sa ako. Mo nang good thing is that, but before ko na ito Kabadbaran, nag-chat ko na sa Gaga, which is si Daina, no? Akong first cousin, nga nadiri sa Davao. So, while waiting for the application process, since basta yung mga apply ka ng call center, pwede naman online or whatsoever. So, to be honest, dapat ko applyan, but isa lagi ang grabe ka kuan gid sa heart, like always ko ginatawagan, ginakumusta like that. Maybe siya kanang comfortable kay ko ba nga magkuan sila ha, mag-join silang company. So, murag naman ko pag-asa that time kung kapit na mag 1 month nga na sa Badbaran. Nya, wala ko gito pa update like that. Nya, mo to nga anak ko nga tita mo to dukos ka ng kuan sa Davao. Kaya I really have to visit their company personally. So, there will be a chance. But thank God nga kanang kuan kayo ang Ginoo kay kapit ang husband sa akong tita, dili ko na learn sa iya like foreign cultures and kay basta we have to neglect all those negativities in life. We have nothing to kanang we don't have time to embrace kanang mga negative thoughts, and we should always embrace positive thoughts and positive people nga magkuan sa to, mag-encourage, mag-uplift, and so mo to siya ask yung story, no, i-vlog lang na ako ni and then when I got here at Davao, wala ko idea kay di ba magulat ako for medical kay pang medical na congrats naman to, kanang dawat na para na mo to kanang pag-abot na ko diri pagkauma dayon anak akong gagawng magadto siya SM ba to basta she's working here by the way, and then di na ko mention na sa rapid nga company, and then mo to nagadto siya SM na lang mo to niuban pug ko niya kuan lang kanang anak ko sa kapit ko dito sa katong company nga akong gi-applyan mo to ni adto ko dito sa SM na lang, and then I inquire details and ask for the next steps of my application. So then they advised me to start the medical testing like that. So at the same day, nahuman na ka ng another result, but there's such problem with my urine. Kay lagi naginuma lagi ko before ko naganhi diri sa Davao with my tita Bilos husband, naginuma mi og kanang gin. So there might be problem found out like ang lahi ang colors ay ana siya, but there's some bacteria in it. But I already, so the doctor prescribed me to kanang kuan medicine mo to antibacterial char. Mo to naginuma ko hantud karon, and then thank God nga I already have my job order and job offer. Kalimot ko sa term. No, niya. Mo to, I'm currently staying here. sharing naman kay best overshare tayo ko. So sa mga pangutana ba na lang kumusta na ba ko ana ako mental health okay ba siya kay like during this my kanang pinaka lowest down in my life I I always talk to God no kay murag the more nga kanang ipa-sad kita sa Ginoo the more nga maka-experience og ganing mga battles in life the more we know God no kay like gid siya like gid ang Ginoo madala sa atong kagalingon and then yaan na murag lagi rason ang tanan nga nung nako diri sa Davao and then napoy rason tanan nga nung wala pa ko sa public school kay mo lagi na siya no but still I'm thankful and very grateful enough to live in this world with no napa ko hate karon siya napa ko kanang kuan mga napa ko ginadalang hatred sa akong family but I know nga God will help me to overcome this problem and I know my reason why I really have to hate them no okay I also have a reason no so that would be all thank you for watching and listening my life lessons or so life experience this past few days and months. So I'm so thankful for those people who helped me and then those people who encouraged me like Nana Inday, Nilang Lang, family and all, Tita Bilo, Tito Jerry, and Dinah as well, my cousin, and everything nga wala na ko na-mention. Dagan kayo, pasalamat. Then friend po na ko sa TikTok, dagan kayo mga encouragement ka message na ako maka-receive. So mo to, amping po kanunay, still ayaw magigito lumagsaw.